Hello, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. I have another video today. I guess it's going to be day of getting things caught up on YouTube day. But it's fine, because I have a lot of new stuff that I've actually been meaning to do with you guys. Anyhow, so welcome back to Harry Potter, I guess, Unboxing 2, which I probably should have said in the last video if you're watching this in order. But either way, it's irrelevant, I guess. So this is another Harry Potter item that I picked up right before the holidays, actually. And I love Funko Pop. Anybody that has been watching my channel for a little while now, you know I have a ton of them. So we'll probably actually go into that stuff in a little bit more detail later, and I'll kind of go through some of the collections that I have. But this was something really cool that I saw in Walmart. So it is an advent calendar, essentially, and there's 24 little miniature pops inside of this guy. And originally I planned on doing this in December, but it's January, doesn't really matter. Any time of the year is a great time for Harry Potter. So we're actually going to open this up, and we're going to probably do these one by one. I'm not going to take them all out at one time. We're going to kind of see which ones we get on different days. So let's go ahead and get this opened up, go through it, and see what day one is, because this is super exciting. Some miniature Funkos, and there's a total of 24 of these bad boys. Can't beat it. 2019 limited edition. So it's kind of special, and actually looks like it's somewhat open already. So I just finished pulling this plastic off, and I'm glad I picked these up when I did, because there were not any more of these in. They kind of sold out. They had a couple different sets, so let's see. So it just slides off. Set that over here. Really, really nice packaging. So the box is really well made, and it looks like, there we go. So we'll do it this way. So Harry Potter, and when you open it, you've got 24 different little slots here. Not sure why they didn't do 25, but I guess that's okay too. So what we're gonna do is day one here. I'm gonna poke that. I want to be careful. I don't want to mess up the packaging. So I'm gonna carefully open this. So, all right. So I got it where I can open it, and that actually looks like Harry. It is pretty cool. It's also nice that they wrap these individually in plastic. I think that's pretty cool. So let's take him out of his plastic here. And this looks like he's in his little Yule Ball attire that he ended up wearing. So Harry, of course, is day one, and I guess that makes sense that he stand up. Oh, how adorable. This is absolutely cute. Super exciting. So we've got little Harry here for day one. So I wonder who is going to be day two. Huh. It's kind of nice. He's have a nice weight too. And just like Funko Pop, they can stand on their own. So I think that's pretty great. So he can kind of walk around. I'm being really silly right now, I guess. But that's pretty awesome. And the detail is actually super cool. So you can see the texture of his hair. His glasses actually stick up from his face. His wee little feet there. It's pretty terrific. So I guess I asked myself what I'm actually going to do with these, since there's going to be 24 of them. So that's pretty cool. This was, I think, $39.99 for all of this. And a lot of people say that's kind of steep. I don't think it's that bad if you're a collector or you're really interested in the series. I think it's definitely worth it. And there were a couple more of these, and I'm trying to remember what they were. I feel like there was maybe a Marvel one or something like that. But there were like 3 or 4 different ones. But, of course, this one caught my attention. So I guess we'll put Harry back in his little window. Close him up, and we'll see who his friend is tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to do a little quick video, and we'll do this for 24 days and kind of see what we've got here. I haven't really checked online to see if these are still available, but when I post this video, I will actually go in and see if they're still available for purchase, and if they are, regardless if it's Walmart or wherever it is, I'll provide the link below. And before you guys leave this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Please, please, please. I think you guys are great. I do this to share my world or my universe with everybody. And feel free to comment below. I'll see you guys later.